my first program, big program at Criteo. I've been here only for a very short time, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. After this three days of intensive training, here is what I've gathered from the training, and this is just a small bit of what I've actually gathered. There's so much more to this training. I think at this point in my career, I really needed this because you know, as you keep dealing with people, you realize that your style is sort of becoming recurrent. It's not that flexible. But these 3 days have taught me how I need to be more open to different people, their working styles.
It was perfectly useful for me. I think in terms of the contents, the frameworks, the tools, definitely very useful. One thing is that it's actually a very good reminder of me, even though I've been a manager for quite some time now. But I think it's good to be constantly reminded of, you know, the best practices, because sometimes you can get very carried away by the regular business, day-to-day operations and issues. So it was a very good time to step back again, reflect on your management style, and think about how, you know, better you can support the team.
So I think the program is great. I think it really made you think and rethink what your previous assumptions about what it meant to be a leader. There's a lot of information, and the way the information was provided was quite accurate and concise and organized, and there was a lot of interactive sessions that got us to practice a lot of the skills and the tools we learned throughout the program.
I think the Step Up program is really exciting, and it's far beyond my imagination before. Previously, I think it's the kind of serious, very bored and very official, but somehow it come out really good themes. It's very energetic and really funny and extremely useful, and it's really could be on the ground. You can use that directly when I go back, and it's helpful, especially during this moment that personally I'm facing a new team, a new environment. That's extremely helpful to me, and I cannot wait to participate the next session in September.
What is great also that after some of the exercises, then I realized that I'm that kind of person, you know, and I need to also be mindful in terms of, you know, the communication obviously, but also in terms of my personal traits, which does not obviously suit everyone, and I need to obviously adjust, you know, my style to different types of people.
But it did, and
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
it's
one of
like
the things about it, it's always
self-awareness.
But it's
Yeah.
actually one of the reassuring things about the program, because you know, you kind of go, I know that these are particular traits or qualities that I have, or perhaps styles that I have that aren't ideal, and that, you know, you're continually working on to evolve and improve. But I think when you're working through a program and you reach the same conclusion as a result of that program, that's probably indicative that it's a pretty good program, because it's showing you.
And importantly, he understands me, I understand him better.
I understand her.